Now take a sensor control box, ensure the 3M bonding tape is firmly pressed down, either using your nails, a flathead screwdriver or a knife. Peel off the tape backing. Bond the sensor box parallel to the right situated push connector terminal. Push firmly against the backplate. Now repeat this process with the LED driver, as shown in the video, making sure the GTV logos are parallel facing. Now we are going to wire the LED driver to the sensor box, using a brown and blue extending cable. Roughly measure the distance between and cut accordingly. Then strip both ends of the extending cables using wire strippers and use the depth stop. Brown to the L mark terminal on the driver and blue to the N mark terminal. Now tighten the terminals and check for a secure connection. Now loosen the terminals on the sensor. As you can see, there is a live and neutral input and a live and neutral output terminal. The driver needs to be wired into the output terminal of the sensor. Above the terminal there will be a symbol of a circle with a cross through the middle. This is the size you need. Now wire the blue to N and brown to L. Before tightening, place a demister Molex in the same terminal. This time, red to L and black to N. Now tighten.